Oh, yes. I was just looking at these trademarks. ZTE and the ZTE logos are trademarks of ZTE Corporation. Yes. Q-Link and Q-Link Wireless are logos, are trademarks. Yes. But these are not enforceable trademarks. No, and these copyright laws are not enforceable. Yes. And these rights are not enforceable. Pooch. Now, I thought I had some rights that were enforceable, but the state of Washington decided they weren't going to enforce them. As in, the civil rights of American citizens are not enforceable, and as a government, you decided to be a powerless government so that corporations, oh, look at here, information, sir. This phone is designed and manufactured not to exceed the emission limits for exposure to radio frequencies. The energy at called radio frequencies set by the FCC. During SAR testing, this device was set to transmit at its highest certified power level in all tested frequency bands. Oh, and placed in positions that simulate RF exposure. Now, this is really, the phone is designed to operate at multiple power levels, yes, so as to use only the power required to reach the network. Oh, in general, the closer you are to the wireless base station, no. Antenna, the lower the output. Yes, exactly what base station am I closest to? Pooch. Why don't you get me the cell phone towers of every wireless base station antenna? Yes, because I thought this phone was using a lot more power than what it was actually designed for. Now, the exposure standard for wireless devices employs a unit of measurement known as the specific absorption rate, or SAR. The SAR limit set by the FCC is 1.6 watts per kilogram. Yes. Is that correct? Yes. Now, what's really interesting is I could get every phone. SAR information on this model phone is on file with the FCC and can be found right here at fcc.gov. FCC ID. Oh, display grant section. Why don't you give me every cell phone manufactured by every manufacturer that has to be on this FCC.gov? Yes. Give me all the FCC IDs of every cell phone in the United States for the last 40 fucking years. It seems that somebody designed these phones, yes, that they could be a type of communication system where it can adjust the power level of the phone. Yes, where the closer I am to the actual antenna, the less amount of power. I know. Somebody got a hold of the cell phones, the free welfare cell phones, where if you're low income, you can get one of those. And then somebody said, well, you have to delete 30.3 megabytes to be able to update their software. Yes. But I think you've been adjusting either the phone or the antenna so as to broadcast an amount in excess of what the FCC standards are right now. Now, I'm going to want to know every phone manufactured for the last 40 years by every corporation. Yes, he does. And then I want to know, how did you adjust them? Oh, we have no strength as a fucking nation right now. Well, this is really something. I mean, when you go through the manual of the phone, yes, this little free phone, yes, it has the ability to adjust the power level of the phone because of the close proximity to the antenna.